Hey friends, for today's project I'm using a thrifted flannel that I bleached. I will be having another video showing how I did that. There's lots of videos on the internet as well. If you wanted to do a search on your own, I will be doing a video though. And then I'm also using the wings transfer. This transfer is actually in the last chance section on my chalk site. So if you like this project, if you like this transfer, make sure you grab it up before it is gone. It is also marked down, so yay, but I love this transfer. I'm sorry to see it go. So I am using the sticky mat to help hold my fabric in place, and then I am using the ink color Fawn, which is no longer available, but there also is the color Dune on my chalk site. I was looking for something that was more of like an off-white, since I felt the white would be a little bit too bright and a stark contrast with the shirt that I am inking on. So to use the ink, you just spread it on your chalk transfer the same way you would chalk paste. And then once I am done doing both sides, I'm going to make sure that the ink is absolutely dry before I heat set it. Now, normally what I do is I will blow dry it to get most of it dry, and then I let it sit out for 24 hours just to make sure the ink is nice and dry. You don't have to do that, but it's just typically what I like to do. So, and oh, I love this transfer so much. So once your ink is absolutely dry, you want to take it off of that ink mat that it's, or not the ink mat, the sticky mat that it's on, because you don't want to heat it on there. And then you're going to use a piece of parchment paper and an iron, or I have an easy press, and you're going to heat set the front and the back, and then your shirt or whatever you're inking on is good to go as far as washing it. I've done lots of shirts. Inking shirts is so much fun, and you're able to create your own custom, shirt, pillow, whatever you want to create. Lots of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and happy inking.